with, now, they're going to call this strap handles. I don't want you to be, to misunderstand. I think it's misleading. Because it's made to look like a strap,
correct,
but it's made out of stoneware.
It is. So
yes.
It's still oven safe up to 500 degrees, fridge, freezer, dishwasher, microwave. For all of you that have been collecting our strap collection, this is the perfect addition. And we did it, David, in holiday.
We did it. It's a holiday with Tara. All right, now, I'm just hanging with my gnomies.
Hanging with the gnomes.
Hanging with the gnomies.
I love this one. It's so fun.
This one is
super
fantastic.
Cute.
We call that one gnome, obviously. Then this is the one we call Frosty Forest.
Yeah, so that's making its debut today. You saw it in the mugs. Now this is the first baking piece that we have ever done in our Frosty Forest.
And I'm told it's the most limited of all 4 choices.
Okay, good to know.
Our Temp-tationistas and nisters love Frosty Forest.
Yay, thanks, gang.
All right, then we have poinsettia.
Yeah.
That is complete with the cardinal. He's somewhere.
On the side, yep.
Oh, there he
right
is.
there he is.
There's our cardinal. Because when cardinals are near, angels appear, right? And then Winter Whimsy.
Of course.
With all of our fun characters. There's Gumdrop, the gingerbread man, Mr. Bojingles, Wimbley the reindeer, Elf Bertie.
Yes.
Is Santa on here
Santa's
somewhere?
on there, yes.
Santa's
and
on here
Wimbley's
somewhere.
on there. There's Wimbley. He's on the corner, and Santa's.
Where's Santa?
No, maybe I left Santa off. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, no.
No,
Yeah, no, he didn't make
Santa.
it.
No
he,
Santa
he
on
didn't
here.
arrive.
The
He
jolly
didn't
old
arrive
elf
on
did
this
not
one.
make the baker. All right, now, this is 11 by 7. It's 2-quart capacity.
2-quart capacity, which is amazing. So when you think about your 13 by 9 being probably your single most requested, most used baking dish, your 11 by 7 is second because it, again, is 2-quart total capacity. What's nice about that is if it's maybe just the two of you or just you, this is going to be the perfect entree. If you're going to do a bigger family, this becomes that great side dish size.
Is that lasagna?
It's lasagna.
All right,
Absolutely.
I got your oven door.
Oh, look
oh
at that.
no, look at you.
Oh,
with the little foot
I
action.
mean,
come on.
Yeah, but what I love about it is
this could be baked ziti.
Baked ziti. This could be mac and cheese with bacon. What we love about Temp-tations, of course, is that you're prepping in here, you're cooking in here, you're serving in here, you're storing in here, nothing's sticking in here. It's that great stoneware that you've come to love for 21 years.
Eggplant parm.
Ooh, that would be Ed's fave.
No pasta that way,
no
right?
Pasta. Ed's fave. My husband, eggplant parm, is his fave. You can also bake right in here. So we always talk about taking that mixer, that hand mixer, mixing right in here, baking right in here, icing it, slicing it, serving it. That's what we love, not transferring from dish to dish and doing it in these beautiful holiday patterns so that you have the perfect dish for the perfect occasion. Isn't that gorgeous?
Beautiful.
They pipe the trees. Our Carol and her stylist
really
are
lovely. Carol is one of our
amazing.
chef food stylists.
Yes.
It does an amazing job for us.
Incredible. Bread
now,
pudding.
this is a bread pudding.
Love.
A berry bread pudding.
Yes. And look how we coordinated with the mugs that were on earlier, whether you're doing chili, mac and cheese. This is for the kids. This is for the adults. This is for dessert time. Or I love a pineapple stuffing. So again, 2-quart total capacity. Side dishes are amazing. Scalloped potatoes, your stuffing. Or a 4-pound pork loin, which is also really nice.
There's this dude on Facebook, I don't know his name.
This dude.
But I watch him from the front seat of his car, and he rates fast food.
Oh.
And he does little videos, and he eats chicken tenders a lot. That's what made me think of it.
Oh.
Right here's the chicken tender, right here, right here. I promise there's a reason in the story. And
oh boy.
And he's awesome.
Yes, it sounds like it.
And he does everything from the front seat of his car with like a cell phone camera. And it's amazing. And when he eats something he really likes, he goes, that's money.
That's money.
That's money.
That's money.
That's money. This would be money.
That would be money. Or delicious. I mean, either way.
Either way.
So here we did a beautiful mustard sauce right on top of that pork loin. But now this becomes that one-dish cooking. And when you think about for under $20, you can get a piece of hand-painted stoneware if you've never tried Temp-tations before. Or if you're thinking about gifting these pieces, this is prepping and cooking and serving and storing. And what we've been sharing with all of you for 21 years with over 25 million sets shared.
How big
great
a
is that?
pork loin do you think that is?
4 pounds.
That's 4 pounds.
4 pounds, and it still gave you plenty of room
For
to
veg.
put David's favorite Brussels sprouts and all your vegetables around there. We did that just for him. So I love, again, the capacity and everything. And then to our point, what we call our strap handles makes it easy to come out of that Oster oven that this will fit in. It makes it easy to come out of the microwave that you've reheated in. So again, there's a purpose for it all, and it all goes right in the dishwasher.
Could have made that broccoli.
Could have.
Yeah, and this is a kind of upswept.
Upswept a little bit.
So it fits a little more nicely in
That's
the
right.
countertop ovens, right?
Correct. And your regular ovens, right? Not taking up a lot of room there also.
Let me update you on Frosty Forest.
Oh.
It's been very popular.
Yay,
In fact,
thank you.
rivaling White Woodland.
Wow.
How about that?
Okay, I'm shocked, actually.
I have 1,500 left in the Frosty Forest. And those trees go all the way around the baker.
They do. And I was showing earlier on my Facebook page, they really actually almost like stick out too. So when we talk about that 3-dimension, I wanted to touch on that. It's all sculpted into that stoneware. Then the glass glaze is applied. And that's what, thank you, brings that dimension to life. And you see all of those trees, all of those snowflakes that surround it. It's really a very special piece.
Maybe for holiday 2024.
Yes. I'm taking
We
recommendations.
paint some of the trees green.
Oh, that would be a little challenging only because of the glass glaze, but we'll talk about that after.
Well, it might be a
like
fun way
the
to
idea.
evolve Frosty
I like
Forest.
the idea.
Or make it icy.
I love that.
Maybe that's better. Might be easier. Who knows? I don't know. I don't
Done.
paint somewhere. I don't know.
Done.
This is Frosty Forest, the brand new pattern. The first one Tara's done in years.
Yes, especially a holiday pattern, right? So Woodland we debuted about 2 years ago. It's been wildly
Frosty
popular.
Forest.
And now, of course, we have that gorgeous Frosty Forest. And I love this because it's all season long, right? Or maybe, you know, your Santa gnomes and your poinsettia might be holiday specific. Your Frosty Forest is all season long.
Poinsettia.
That's one of my favorites. Classic.
Really beautiful. And if you have
Yes.
poinsettia bakeware and
Dinnerware.
perfect. This one is Winter Whimsy. You might also
So
have
fun.
the dinnerware and Winter Whimsy.
And the mugs that we debuted earlier, that all coordinates back
And
as
I'm
well.
told we're going to do a little reminder of the mugs.
Oh, fun.
And then hanging with my gnomies.
The gnomes.
Gnomes.
So cute.
What I want to know is how do they see? With those hats pulled
They
over
have
their
magic
eyes.
powers.
Either that or they can see through the toboggan hat. We are very, very busy with this item. This is only $19.98.
That's actually, when you think about that for a second, under $20 for something that's hand painted, that's stoneware, that you can put in the oven, the microwave, the fridge, the freezer, the dishwasher, even as a great gift.
Right.
Can you think of a gift for under $20 that you could actually create traditions in, that becomes a memory in a moment, that each year they take it out and they make their favorite side dish, or they make the traditions that they grew up with? They have now that perfect baking dish at 2-quart total capacity. And we hear from you guys all the time. Yes, we love the big sets, Tara, but we also love these key pieces, these affordable key pieces that we can add to our collection.
And let's be very clear, it's usually about the side dishes.
It's always about the side
So
dishes.
you've got side dishes for holiday, and you know, Jane Tracy and I are debuting a show this Thursday night called Merry Memories. And we're inviting the customers to share their holiday memories.
Oh, I love that.
And so many memories for the holidays are born around the dinner table.
Of 100%.
And food is typically at the heart of that, right? So this is an opportunity for you to maybe share your memories of a holiday gone by, where there was a great meal,
Yeah.
great side dish,
Yes.
a new side dish that you introduced that's now
I
become a
love
tradition.
that. I love that.
All
That's
those
what this
things.
brand is all about, right? For 21 years, it's about slowing down, gathering the family back around the table, and making every meal special, not just the holidays.
And maybe this is the year you actually enjoy the holidays.
yeah, that would be nice.
And not just get
and
it
not
all
stress.
done. And not just get it all
And
done.
not
All right.
stress.
Gnome is here. We have gnomes. We also have Frosty Forest.
Ooh, we roll our R's on that one.
And we started with 2,200 Frosty Forest and 800 remaining.
Ooh, thank you, everybody.
Then we've got poinsettia.
Wow.
And then we've got winter whimsy. So, Tara, if you can't make the trees green, make them icy. Do you think that would be
I'm on
easier?
it. Hey, I'm on it.
Maybe they could glisten like Frosty Forest.
Yeah, like a glitter.
Like or a different glaze or
Uh-huh.
something.
I love it.
Catch the light. Maybe iridescent. Who knows?
Ooh, the options are endless.
I have a straight line to the designer. I can ask her. All
True
right.
story. So do all of you.